Alright guys, we're back. So we're working on the off-leash recall. I've got my little bulldog over there. Let me tell you what, that little bulldog will try to run roughshod over these other dogs. So I got him with just a little tap, tap, tap right there. And he comes a running. Same thing. I went tap, tap, tap. I got 3 taps in. All right, Blue's very interested in this new puppy. Blue! Oh, Bluey is textbook. All right, that little bulldog's going to make the mistake of messing with Nick over there. Nick's going to roll and fall right into the punt. Anyway, this new little puppy is here for training now, you guys. This is Riley Jane, and she is the spitting image of Sorsha. That's one of the Sorsha Talbot puppies from the last litter. One of my favorite clients, the Hirschhorns from Tampa. Anyway, but so she's just kind of along. When they're young like that, you really don't have to. All right, now look, I got Bella going way over there. I'm going to tell you what Bella likes to do is wander. Bella! Bella! Good girl. You need to be ready to reward a dog like this right away. Bella! All right, look, Jim is way out there. My main thing is to keep my eye on that little bulldog. Because that little bulldog will try to start going into prey drive, and that little bulldog will try to start getting the other dogs. And it wasn't how he was raised, it's just how he is. Anyway, we've got Grits out here. We just did the best photo shoot. Grits, he's like a dog model. Oh, look at those 2 out there going. The pets are always looked. You've got to be ready. She doesn't really have the muscle memory of turning yet, and we'll get to that point. But what she does is look, so you got to be ready to add the movement right away. Listen, this is what I meant about Dogtra. When they're doing that. Gracie! And what I'm not going to let Gracie do is run up. Gracie! I added my nick right there. I went tap, tap, tap. But I'm not going to let Gracie do is run roughshod over that puppy. That puppy's a month younger. Gracie. And so to the dog, that's a lot younger. All right, look, I got Gemma way over there. Gemma! Gemma! Oh, look at her go. Gemma! And the little bulldog tries to run interference. Alright, let's go up. Never look at that. Me and all my lanyards. Alright, I'm going to get Pretzel. Holding my pager down, holding it down, holding it down, holding it down. Gracie! Gracie! What I did was add my nick right there. Gracie, and you've got to be ready to do that, you guys. That's why when people say, I only want to have a comfort, so do I. All right, let's go this way. There goes that little bulldog. Gonna get that little bulldog. Oh, that little bulldog. There's one thing I love, it's this little bulldog. Well, you've got to grab the tree. Your little gumdrop nose. Alright, so there's Bella over there, look. Bella! Mingle out here! Mingle! Yeah, mingle, just blend into the group. This is Joshua. Joshua's our second favorite emergency room doctor because Jason came here first, so Jason's our favorite. Alright, so we're gonna be ready. He's just gonna mingle in with the group. Easier said than done. Alright, that little bulldog is disappearing. Alright, I'm gonna get Pretzel. Here she comes. Here she comes. So what I did, I could see her, you guys. What I did was, alright, get your remotes in your hand now. Oh, he's got it all figured out. Alright, watch out, because that one will slam right into you. Just blend into the group. Blend, blend. Like this guy can blend. He looks like a movie star. Come on. Where do they have these doctors? That's what I said when I first met Jason. Where do they have these doctors? These people look like movie stars. They need to have a reality show at this place. Blend, blend. Keep walking. You see how they were kind of like, uh-oh. That was their kind of stock response to seeing strange dogs. If you just keep walking, blending, blending. All right, watch out, watch out. All right, Joshua, watch out for that black puppy, though. Just keep coming, but it'll slam right into you. Oh, that little bulldog's trying to run roughshod over that puppy. Blending, blending, we're all blending. See how blending in worked instead of just, hey, I'm here, hey! You've been able to blend. Well, you can't blend because those dogs aren't as blendable. Well, why has unblending been going on?
Oh, no.
Okay, that's all. One dog wrecking ball right in front, no reaction. These jeans were fine when I came out here earlier. One dog wrecking ball. Look at my little bulldog. You want that little bulldog? That little bulldog, oh, he tries to run roughshod over all of them. All right, so what's been going on? He's over-exaggerated. He falls and everything for the camera. You know, the show has got to be more dramatic with the sun.
Oh.
All right.
Luna.
Don't say the name, though. I want to just add a little bit of a nick if she starts to do that. Once we get back over here by the water, they'll all jump in. Gemma! Gemma! Listen, Gracie, I don't like your swallowing my hand. Gemma! You've managed to successfully blend into the group. See, the less they act like that, really the easier it is for them to blend. See, now they're just blending. Let's tadpoles get in the water bucket. Let me tell you the story of what happened. Oh my God, Joshua has his hair cut exactly like Dave. He doesn't. Yes, it's unbelievable. What's unbelievable is it's exactly the same haircut Dave has. Anyway, so Crystal allows these tadpoles to hatch in this bucket. So now we have the dilemma. What do? We're not the type of people who just dump them on the ground. So I told her, I said, your only choice is to put them in that little garden cart thing and wheel them down here and dump them in the pond. Well, granted, some of them are going to get eaten by the fish, but the smart ones, I told her dump them in this grassy area, which has now been completely demolished. So now the fish are gobbling them up right and left.
Well, we have them growing in our bottom of our clean how it rains, and then the water gets in the bottom of the little areas. Hundreds of them.
Hundreds! So that was her. Yes, we all have American thing to do. Why?
Yeah.
Look at them all go. So that was a pretty good, successful blending into the group. We've got all the different. We've got the older dogs, Talbot, Nick, Ritz. No, Rocky is Bodie. He's a little bulldog. He's like a speedboat. You should call him John. No, he never swam before. Well, no, before he came here, so that's why he's got that frenetic style. Yeah. I don't know where he's going. Like Dave, where is this barber? We're going to refer everyone to this barber. Am I wrong? That's exactly the haircut Dave has. Crystal?
Yeah. Yes.
Right here, long on the top. Look at that little bulldog. It just goes way off by itself. Oh, it's down there getting Crystal's frog farm. What is he doing? He doesn't even know what he's doing. All right, let me see if I can. He's deaf. Yeah, this is one I adopted, and I was just getting it. Remember I had the one before? Did you ever see that one, Screechy? Yeah, I think you saw it. Well, no, Screechy wasn't deaf. Screechy was just a bull terrier. So then my friend Nina, that does rescue, got a chance to get this dog. So I said I would take it just because I like Screechy. Even though Screechy's out of the show. He wouldn't have seen this paddleboarding video. And so then, Kristen's like, oh, the slightest thing. Yeah, this guy didn't have his hair cut like Dave. He's written out of the show, too. Look at him go, though. So then, she gets the dog, you know, and she brings it to me, and we're sitting there, you know, we're just hanging out, whatever. She's got a little deaf dog. We're working with it. So I get the dog out. I'm looking at it. You know, she's already told me it wasn't deaf. Watch out, sister, watch out. Then I'm looking at it. It's got a little collar on it. What are the chances of someone getting a dog that's going to like it more when it's deaf? And it's going to I mean, you know, what is the chances of it end up? You know what I mean? That's not safe. I don't know what it is. No, I meant to. Yeah, I told her she wanted to kill her. I got nothing with little dog. Whoa! And she goes, well, that's it. Hello? And she goes, oh, well, the man said it might be part Dalmatian. I go, it's a mix. I go, oh, no. It's those spots on it. We thought it was part Dalmatian. It's not part Dalmatian. That's what it looked like. Oh, boy.
Are the rest of them?
No, well, these are trainees. That's a client dog. That's a client dog. That got off a little dog right there. That was mine. The rest of these long other people, that was mine. Look at that little bulldog there. Let me see if I can page it. Yeah, well, that was done. I just paged it. But I didn't even notice that. Jocko, I don't even know if I would have figured out. Ah, but then you just sidetracked me. I don't even know if I would have figured out. I had to add the mix. I don't know how long it would have taken me to figure out that he was deaf. I hope I figured it out. And I think like the people didn't lose it. Yeah. OMG. Blue? Yeah, they do that. Listen, OMG. Okay, I'm going to show you. Well, I just showed you what happened, even though you couldn't see it. What happens to little bulldogs that launch attacks. And what I did, you guys, I was only on 50, but I bumped my continuous right there. Had to be done. Had to be done. Well, but you see what happened? It went into a prey mode. And there's no stopping. They've got the same little prey mode. So that was just my pager. they've got the same little prey mode like a pit bull. Pit bulls that's what people say. Throw them in with cinder blocks, shovels, stab them, shoot them, and do all these things, and they can't make them stop. Alright, let me get pretzel. So what I did right there, you guys, I did my pager, and then I added my neck. And I'm fixing out my nick here. Yep, she looked bad. What I did was, oh, you little wimp. I won the battle of attrition. You can see that. I stayed on it. I gotta get that little bulldog. Oh, that little bulldog was waiting on the. He was waiting on the bank like a gator. That little bulldog. All right, guys. We gotta go. Bye, guys.